In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an ElevenLabs voice sound more natural. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. When working with text-to-speech technology like ElevenLabs, getting that natural feel to your voice output is essential, so we're going to go through a few steps that'll help you achieve just that. First off, you'll want to log into your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech tool. Once you're in, you'll see a blank space where you can type your script. Here's where it starts getting interesting. Instead of focusing solely on the words, think about how they flow together. Use natural punctuation to guide the delivery. This is so important. Commas will indicate short pauses, while dashes can create deliberate shifts in tone. And when you want to add a little hesitation, try using ellipses. It makes the voice sound much more fluid and relatable. Now, let's talk about contractions. It's like having a conversation with a friend, right? So instead of saying you are, just say you're. It makes everything sound more casual and friendly. As you're typing out your script, don't forget to add descriptive cues in brackets. Things like warmly or whisper can really steer the mood and pacing of the delivery. This gives the voice a character, making it more than just a robotic script reading. After you've crafted your script, it's time to adjust the voice settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to look for the voice slider settings in the tool. First, let's lower the stability to between 20% and 40%. Why, you ask? Well, this setting adds that dynamic emotional variation and expressiveness that is key for moving away from a rigid or robotic delivery. Next up is the clarity and similarity balance. Adjust this to around 60% to 80%. This range ensures that the articulation remains crisp and clear while still sounding natural. If it's too high, you risk the voice sounding artificial. Definitely not what we're going for. Now, here comes the fun part, generating your voice output. Click that Generate button and take a moment to preview what you've created. Listen closely. If the pacing or tone feels off, don't worry. It's all about iteration. You might find that breaking up long sentences helps. Sometimes it's just a matter of tweaking a bit of punctuation or adjusting those sliders in small increments until everything sounds just right. Play around until the delivery sounds alive, like a real conversation. In wrapping up, remember that the goal is to make the voice personable and engaging. With the right punctuation, natural phrasing, and adjustable settings, you can create voice outputs that feel real. So, give these tips a try and watch how your ElevenLabs voice transforms. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us